Gamba Stampi is a family-run metalworking company, in business since 1973, a qualified and reliable partner for building die casting molds for aluminium. With our 50 years of experience, we expertly build die casting molds for aluminium and other alloys, and related blanking molds, as well as high-quality machining. Our daily commitment is to meet and solve the customer-specific requirements and critical issues. Thanks to our team of specialized technicians, each mold is custom designed and built. The know-how of craftsmanship, combined with a fleet of latest generation and constantly updated machinery, are our strength. We ensure a careful selection of materials and external partners, strictly in compliance with ISO and Lean standards. Eco-sustainability is a value for us. The energy we consume is produced by our photovoltaic panels and purchased from the green energy market. We have a protocol to reduce the use of chemicals and a system of water recovery and reuse. The customer finds in Gamba Stampi the best mold and the assistance to ensure a long-lasting tool. Solutions in our DNA to build the mold you need.